Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the BlackBerry Key2. We're going to unbox it and take a first look, and this is the 64GB model. It's got 6 gigabytes of RAM, and this is what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. We'll talk about specs in just a moment. We'll slide this out of here, open it up, and here is the phone itself. Let's open it up and take this out here. We'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. Let's see what else is in the box. So in here, looks like we've got some documentation and probably a SIM removal tool. There's our SIM removal tool. And welcome to your new Android smartphone, quick start guide, and 12-month limited warranty. So inside here, we've got our AC adapter. It's just typical USB-A. We've got a pair of BlackBerry headphones. Let's see if we can pop this out here. There we go. So we've got some headphones. There's a headphone jack, so that's a good sign. Some different earbud sizes. And then here we have our USB type A to USB-C. So let's set this aside and take a little bit closer look at the phone. Now, the phone itself is made out of aluminum. It's a really actually pretty nice sturdy feeling Series 7 aluminum. It's an aluminum alloy around this whole frame. Let's pull this off here. Now inside of this phone we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 with an Adreno 12 GPU, and it also is BlackBerry's first phone to have dual cameras. It's got 12 megapixel cameras with f1.8 and also a 12 megapixel camera with an f2.6. The front facing camera is 8 megapixels and the fingerprint sensor is right here on the spacebar. So on the back you've got a nice diamond texture feel, you've got your LED flash here, and then all around really nice SIM card tray right here. You've got a programmable button, your power button, and your volume. And then on the bottom you have USB-C and 2 speakers it looks like, and then a headphone jack and a microphone on the top. So they're nailing everything there. And this display is a 4.5-inch display, and it's also 1080 by 1620 with 434 pixels per inch. It uses Gorilla Glass 3. So to give you a size comparison, you'll see here's the Pixel 2 XL on the left, the Key 2 on the right. So it's a good size. And let's go ahead and turn it on here. Now I like what they've done on the side. This is textured, and it lets you know that it's actually the power button. Now BlackBerry is saying the battery inside of this at 3,500 milliamps should get you up to 2 days of use. So your typical Android start screen will hit start. Connect to a mobile network. If you have a SIM card, insert it now. Now I'm going to be using this as a replacement for the Pixel 2 XL for a little while, so let's go ahead and swap the SIM card over. So here's the SIM card tray. You'll see we have room for expandable storage. Let's go ahead and put the SIM card in. So I'm going to copy my data. The screen actually looks pretty good. It's definitely a little bit smaller to accommodate the keyboard on the bottom. We'll copy data here. So we'll set up the fingerprint sensor. We'll set up Google Assistant. So it's telling us a little bit about the launcher and how everything works. Pop widgets, we'll hit next. Tap here for your app widgets. So it's just explaining how everything works. Hit OK. So it's finishing setup, and I'll use this for the next week or so before I do my full review. But I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing and show you what it looks like. The screen so far feels responsive. You've got a productivity tab on the side here, and it's pretty nice. It's going to take me a little bit to get used to a keyboard again. That's been quite some time since I've used one of those. And then you'll see we have some security, Detect by BlackBerry, and it's supposed to protect the privacy of your data. and monitor things and help you control what's actually being tracked, and it's supposed to notify you about it. So I'll be using it and we'll see how it goes. You'll see the security status is excellent. But let me know what you think about the Key2 in the comments below. This is the first time I've used a BlackBerry in quite some time, so I'll be using it and we'll see how it holds up with the camera and things in the full review. But be sure to let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.